to do a quick review of one of our favorite things to play with, and that is this National Geographic glow-in-the-dark marble run set. And you can see that we got the 250-piece set, which I think is the largest they offer. And with that set, you get 200 of these plastic connection pieces for your runs and then 50 marbles. And we love this set. The kids and I pull this out to play with it almost every day, and we'll spend hours just having a blast together, building all sorts of different connections. And this is just a small sampling of the types of pieces you get. There's so many different variations you can make. But my girls did put these together. These are smaller than their typical runs, but I wanted to use them just to show you how this works in the light. Oh, I missed the entrance there for that one. So. And then I will show you now, both of these have splitters and some of these S pieces, and of course you can see the flip over piece that we love, and then some of these pieces as well. And so soon we will get to testing out how these work in the dark because they glow. Now, there's a few reasons why this is my favorite marble set. We've had many others in the past, and I love this one for a few reasons. One is these pieces are so easy to connect and disconnect. You can see how easily they come together, and that makes it really easy for the kids to do. We've had some in the past where the kids were not able to do it on their own, and of course that frustrated them a lot because they wanted to be able to set them up and surprise each other and make changes on their own, and they always had to ask me for help, which of course I didn't mind helping them, but this set was much better because they can actually do it on their own because of how easily those pieces fit together. And of course the other feature that we really love here is that the marbles they give you can glow in the dark, and they provide you with this little UV light here that you can shine on the marbles. And then as you do that, and I think the longer you do it, you'll get a better glow or a longer glow. And then when you turn off the light, let's see if we can do that here. We'll see how well they glow. You can see how nice those marbles are with the glowing, and I will try my best to get them into the run so I can show you how it looks. Let's see if I can do it without really seeing where it starts. I'm going to try to find it here. Okay, I think I'm in the right spot. And I'll see if I can put two on this other side as well. There you go on that side. So let me see if I can turn the lights back on. And we do this in the dark a lot, and sometimes we'll even play outside at night and we get to enjoy the glowing feature. It's just a blast, and so we highly recommend it. We've had so much fun with this, and we hope you will too.